Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel, I document my own print-on-demand journey. Now, normally I talk about print-on-demand on this channel, but today I want to make one exception because something happened that I felt I really needed to put out there and I really wanted to talk to you about. And I'd like to talk about NBA Top Shot and why it might be good for you to just take a look at it. And I talk about it on this channel because, well, pretty much it's my only YouTube channel at the moment. And you know, it is related to making money online, and that's why I wanted to talk to you about it, because I think it's a great chance for everybody who might be interested in making money online, not just print on demand, but making money online. So first of all, NBA Top Shot, first heard about it on Ryan Hogues' channel, and I give him huge credit for that because it helped me a lot. And you know, probably Ryan Hogues' channel, he's got one of the biggest print on demand channels anyway on YouTube. And I follow his channel as well, or I've subscribed, and therefore, please check his channel out as well. If you don't know it, I've put a link in the description, but you probably know it anyway. So 2 to 3 weeks ago, we talked about NBA Top Shot, and I didn't, you know, I like basketball, yes, but I've never really watched the NBA. I've never really followed it, and I had no idea until then what NBA Top Shot was. So if you want to learn more about it, you can watch his video, which I've linked into the description, but it pretty much is all based on blockchain, but it pretty much all is based on blockchain. So you probably know, you know, when you were younger, or maybe you still do it, trading like game cards or sports cards or Pokemon cards or whatever. And this is pretty similar. So that the only difference is you don't trade physical cards, you trade video moments, and these moments, they are limited, which makes them valuable because you cannot just duplicate them like in an infinite way. They are really limited, so they all have a serial number like any card would have, I think, any physical card, and they are physical, or not physical but digital moments. So I'm just going to show you. So first of all, why I actually talk about it. So I spent $250 on those moments, and I made $2,500 in just a couple of weeks. And I'm going to prove that to you as well. You know, you can do it as well, because I've just invested some money and it's just jumped up. And, you know, this might be a bubble. I'm not going to lie to you, but what's wrong in investing maybe just $50 or so and then see it going up to $500? In the worst case, you probably can still sell them for $50 again. Or, I don't think it will go down to zero because it's backed by the NBA. So it's actually really, they've actually cooperated with them. So with all of these things, I mean, again, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. This is just what I've done. So I just say you might want to look at it because I think it's the next big thing after Bitcoin, after all of this stuff, after blockchain. I mean, this is based on blockchain. This is now the technology that will become widespread everywhere. And NBA Top Shot, they are one of the first people who do this. And this, you know, this is, I guess this is the future. I've really spent a lot of time getting familiar with what Bitcoin is, what Ethereum is, what blockchain is. And I haven't really, until probably a few weeks ago, I didn't know what NFTs are, non-fungible tokens. But this is pretty much what NBA Top Shot is. And you can do your own research on it. I just tell you in this video what I've done. So I'm just going to show you quickly how this looks. So because at the moment it is still in a beta phase, so it is really very early days. So there are a lot of problems on this marketplace, I'm not going to lie. And they only let a few people join every day. So it is limited, but you can register your interest and then they will notify you when you can join. And at this stage, when you join, chances are that you definitely make money, because all you need to do basically is get one of these packs, which are very limited. So you have to join a queue when they drop them. But if you're a bit lucky, and it's pretty much like a lottery, but you have quite a big chance of winning actually, then you can just get this pack. You open it, there are a few moments in the pack, and then you can just either hold them if you're really a basketball fan, or you just sell them, because some of them might not be worth a lot. But chances are all of even if you have a pack with low value moments, you will still, if you want to sell them, you will still at least make the money back from what you spent on the entire pack. Or chances are that you have one in them, which is really worth a lot. So in my very first pack, I had a few which were worth a bit more. But in my second pack, I mean, there was one rare moment, which was I spent $200 on the second pack, but one of them, and there were, I think, 6 moments in there, one of them was worth over £1,000, over $1,000. So I'm just going to show you what it is. So go to MBT. I basically got the Seeing Stars pack. I got the Rising Stars pack, and there was a third one as well, which I got. And then if I go to collection, this is my collection here. And you see I joined in February 2021, which was really, I think, end of February, so pretty much 2 weeks ago. These are my moments still. They are pretty low value, but if I sold them all, I would still make my money back on the packs that I purchased. The ones which were very, very profitable, I already sold, and which is how I made $2,000. Probably if I sold them all here, I would probably have made $3,000. So as you can see here, these are all common moments. So there are 35,000 plus of them available, and you can see the serial number here. And then you can see what it is, and you can click on it, and you can actually watch the moment. It's just a video, but it has a serial number, and I could now place it for sale if I wanted to, and I can have a look at what it's currently listed on the marketplace. Now, but I just want to show you what I've actually done, because I don't want to make it a very long video. So when I joined, I basically, the first pack that I got was a pack which basically everybody could get. So everybody who joined this queue had a chance of getting a pack. But that was actually only, I actually received those moments today. The other 2 packs where I was lucky, I got straight away after buying them. And one of them was dropped, and this was the, let me go back. This was the Seeing Stars moment. This was dropped over 3 days, and I joined the queue on 3 days. 2 times I was unlucky. So second day, actually, I had to, set my alarm clock, and I joined 1 minute late, and I had no chance of getting a pack because there were too many people in the queue. But on the third day, I got lucky, and I got a pack. And then the Rising Stars one, I think there were over 200,000 people in the queue. There were only 30,000 packs available, and I was lucky and got the queue number 10,000. So I got this pack. Now, if you check under activities here, this basically proves what I've done. So I've joined, and I've pre-ordered my first pack, which was end of February, and I received that now. That was for $9. So $9 I spent on a pack, and I had, I think, 3 moments in them. And each moment is worth over $10 because they were all low value. But this was the pack where everybody had a chance of getting one, so there were a lot available. Now, then I purchased one moment individually just because I wanted to try how it works on the marketplace. That pretty much hasn't gone up in value. Then I purchased a pack, the Seeing Stars pack. And I also purchased a pack, the Rising Stars pack. So this was when I was lucky in the queue. That was 7 days ago. Now, I then sold my first moment from the Rising Stars pack, where I spent $199 on it, but I sold it for $1,290. And I pretty much could have gone up. I could have spent it, earned a bit more on it. I just want to see how it works. I couldn't believe it works, but I actually put it up for $1,219, which was the lowest price on the marketplace for this moment. And it was sold in 5 seconds. So I know I could have put it up a bit more. But anyway, it proves that it works. The second moment was actually a common moment. Very interesting, a common one. So you can see some of these common moments, they can sell for a lot of money as well. And that made $800, over $800. And that was just 2 days later. And then I sold a third moment for $250 just yesterday, and another one for $350. And the reason that these had a high value, I believe, that one for $350, the serial number was 4. So the moments with the lower serial number sell quite well and with a higher price. The other moments here, I think they were not very valuable in the beginning, like a week ago, but because Top Shot, they start these challenges, and then they tell you have a challenge to complete. So you have to collect whatever 9 specific moments. And apparently one of these here, I think, was one of these moments that people needed to collect. I wasn't really fussed about it. I just wanted to make a profit. So I put it on the marketplace for a high price, and people bought it. So overall, as you can see here on my balance, it's $2,568 I've made from it, and I've only spent $250 roughly, maybe even less than $250. And I also still have, I think, 10 moments or whatever that could go up. And if they don't go up, I just hold them because I made my profit, and maybe they go up in a year. And the thing is, you get these moments of people, of basketball players. And as far as I know, I mean, this is very early days, but some of these they get more valuable. For example, when people, just imagine people don't use their account anymore. They just sit on an account. They're not on the marketplace. So eventually they will get more valuable because less people will participate in the marketplace. A bit like with Bitcoin, where people buy Bitcoins and then they forget the access code to their wallet or whatever. But I think they even get more valuable when people, for example, you've got these rising stars, people just whatever, as the young players, and when they get better over time, and they make certain popular, goals or however you call it in basketball, and they get more popular players, their value of the moments will go up as well. And the very interesting thing here is, if you get one where the serial number is the number of the player, I mean, they could be worth tens of thousands, because the players themselves, they participate in this, and they have got a lot of money. So they buy these as well, and they trade them among each other as well. So, these can go for a lot of money. And I've only joined 2 weeks ago, and I've made $2,500. And again, I want to give huge credit to Ryan Hogues, who basically introduced me to it, because I watched his video. And I just wanted to put this out there, because it's a big chance for everybody, honestly. This is very early days, and it's a bit like Bitcoin. When you start at very early days, you could have made a lot of money, even more than you can make today with Bitcoin. And there's really minimal risk, in my opinion, if you just try to get hold of these packs when they are dropped. There is bigger risk when you try to buy them on the marketplace for a higher price, and then you speculate and think they will go up higher, because then, eventually they could also go down a little bit. But if you just buy these packs when they are dropped by NBA Top Shot, because they go for a comparatively low value, and then you open the packs, and then each moment individually normally has the same or higher value than the entire pack had, and then you can already make a profit that. And if you're lucky, you have a few profitable moments in there. So I just wanted to make you aware. Just register if you're interested. They also very soon will start the UFC NFT platform, which is very similar, but that hasn't opened yet. And you can go to the UFC, if you just Google, I think, UFC NFT, you can register your interest and join the queue as well. And they will make you aware when you can join. But NBA Top Shot, that has launched already. It's in the beta phase. And again, there's a lot of interest there. A lot of people try to join. They limit the number of people who can join at the moment because the interest is just huge. Well, and I just want to make you aware, really. So hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you, it might be of interest, and hopefully you consider joining as well and make a bit of money of it, or you just enjoy trading and collecting these moments. And if you liked it, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Bye.